Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Guys, if you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? Just go and hit that subscribe button and the bell just right beside it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, on today's video we are going to be making a simple recipe for crispy baked chicken leg quarters in the oven. You only need few simple ingredients for perfectly juicy crispy baked chicken. You know very well in this channel, guys, we are for simple and easy recipes. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, we are going to make the chicken seasoning. In a small bowl, combine crushed red pepper, meat masala, paprika, salt, garlic and black pepper. Mix well, then set aside. For this recipe, we are going to use 5 chicken leg quarters. First, sprinkle olive oil on the chicken skin, then use a brush to coat the chicken well. Next, sprinkle the seasoning on the chicken on both sides and rub it very well until the whole chicken is coated. Now sprinkle some seasoning under the skin of the chicken leg quarters, then arrange the chicken leg quarters in a grease pan. Next, place 1 tablespoon of butter on each leg quarter. Then place on the middle rack in the oven and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour 15 minutes. After 1 hour 15 minutes, remove the chicken from the oven. Chicken is done when internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit at the thickest part of the thigh. Let stand 5 minutes before serving. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.